Joy at Work. Organizing Your Professional Life. By Marie Kondo. The organizational and arrangement rules that you apply in your home can also be applied to your work in order to become happier and more enjoyable, whether in the physical workspaces or digital spaces. This will also help you to spend your work time more effectively. Organizing the workplace increases productivity. Clutter hinders people's productivity, as a survey conducted in 2011 found that 90% of Americans consider clutter to be a source of unhappiness, decreased productivity, and lack of motivation. If these elements are not enough to convince you, remember that the wasted hours spent searching for documents or any other items reduces your productivity, and you will become happier, more productive, and more profitable if you take care to organize your workplace. Organizing the workplace is a great way to impress your manager, and in general, management respects those who maintain the cleanliness and order of their workplace due to the impact on productivity levels and work quality. However, some people organize their workplaces because it is imposed on them, which makes them not continue with it. But the organized workplace is a place to achieve goals and turn dreams into reality. Retain the necessary work tools and supplies. Discard items that you do not need to use for work or that do not provide any immediate or future enjoyment. This approach is the essence of the KonMari method, and you can apply it to anything, even everything, in your office, whether digital or physical. We must pay attention to the details of the things we see around us, but first we must form an idea of the ideal work environment. Ask yourself what you want to see in your workplace and the feelings it evokes. Also imagine the contents of the space, where each item should be placed, and the emotions that arise when you sit at your desk in general. Start by placing all the books in your workplace in front of you, then hold each book individually and ask yourself, does this bring me joy? Get rid of anything that doesn't bring you happiness. Documents differ slightly from books, but you can organize them according to the following classifications. Working documents, which are related to the tasks you are currently performing. Essential documents, which are the papers you must keep to do your job. Important documents, which are the papers that help increase your productivity. How to organize the digital work environment. Organizing your email can be a difficult and tiring process, so you should treat your inbox as a place for tasks and projects, not as a storage space. Create 10 or fewer folders to organize yourself, and if you can't sort everything right now, archive all messages in a folder, then sort them later. You can set specific work hours to respond to emails, and you can also activate the Do Not Disturb feature on your phone from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. to maintain your productivity rate. For more information, you can check out summaries of our books on our channel. Thank you for your valuable time.